Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on natural gas spot prices on February the 20th, when the price was at $1.61 mark, and my main assumption was that we have to see a trend reversal. Even my thumbnail is telling you this, U-turn is near. And the confirmation of new uptrend should be this type of structure that will establish new higher highs and higher lows. And here is the actual price action of natural gas spot prices. As you can see, I made my previous video at this point, and I drew this line to the upside. And here we have this movement that potentially might be the beginning of new uptrend. But right after that, it had quite a significant movement to the downside, and that is why I have a lot of doubts right now. So guys, as you can see, I caught this bottom, but definitely it was a pure luck. And guys, I told you that it is extremely difficult to divide this structure to make a breakdown according to adequate wave theory. That is why in the majority of cases this movement to the upside is pure luck. And I have to admit that in general, my win rate on different assets using technical analysis is more than 75%. That is why if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. So I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And let's continue with the price action itself. So I drew this breakdown and I thought we might have the bottom of the fifth wave somewhere here with an extension in the fifth wave. But guys, for now I have a lot of doubts. First of all, we have this movement to the downside that reaches again quite low levels. And on my previous video, I told you that if we have a breakout to the upside, if we have the movement to the upside that will establish higher highs and higher lows, we might anticipate the next leg as long as previous swing low holds. But for now, we are too close to this range, and that is why you have to be very cautious with your long position. And let's take a look on the fundamental news. What is the news that is driving natural gas prices right now? We are on tradingeconomics.com, and let me quote you this. US natural gas futures fell more than 6% toward $1.6 per MMBTU on Friday, driven by abundant supply, ample storage, and reduced heating demand amid a mild weather. Despite an Arctic freeze in January, briefly impacting output, record levels have been maintained. Mild weather has left stockpiles well above normal, with the latest EIA data revealing storage 22.3% above the seasonal norm. Despite this, US Natgas prices are set for more than 1% weekly increase after a 12.25% jump on Wednesday. Chesapeake Energy cut planned production for 2024 by roughly 30% after a plunge in prices to a 3.5-year low, joining Ontario Resources, Comstock Resources, and EQT in scaling back drilling and production. And guys, this is the reason why we have quite high pressure, quite high downwards pressure to this asset, because the storage is extremely high and we still have mild weather forecast. That is why this movement, it is very difficult to assume that we might have the next leg to the upside. On top of that, guys, this structure from this top, I don't like it. I don't like it very much. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I started to find out why this asset dropped so hard from this point to the downside, and let me show you what I found out. If I pull the Fibber retracement tool from the bottom to the top, you can see that we broke even the golden pocket range and we are on the path to hit 0.786 level. It is very deep retracement again right after this movement. That is why it is less likely than we might have the next leg to the upside. On top of that, guys, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this swing high to this swing low, we already hit the first price target of negative of 0.236 at $1.832 mark. And this gives me a chance to revise the entire structure. And for now, I think we have this breakdown. Let me delete unnecessary tools. And for now, I think we have following breakdown. Internal wave, internal third wave might be like this. This is the first wave, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And if it is the internal third wave, we have to see another retracement in order to complete the movement from this point. If it is the case, this is the first, this is the second, next one. This entire wave to the downside is the third, this is fourth, and here is the movement to the downside to complete the fifth wave. And in this case, yes, we have decent chances to hit lower price targets. And I think if this asset breaks this swing low at $1.562, we will confirm this movement. And in this case, guys, we have at least one more leg to the downside before the major retracement to the upside that potentially will lead to trend reversal. And that is why if you want to enter your position, enter your long position, in other cases, I would recommend you to enter it right here and to put a stop loss slightly below this bottom, which leads to a potential downside of about 7%. But for now, I don't like this structure. That is why I don't encourage you to enter your long position, even with this tight stop loss. And guys, I have to admit that the natural gas prices are quite difficult to trade because it has a lot of impact on the price from majority of companies, and each and every company that might close or open its activity in regards to drilling new wells or to extracting more gas will impact the gas prices. That is why it is very difficult to assume its next price action, but technical analysis definitely might work in this case. And you shouldn't rely for 100% on the fundamental analysis. Definitely you have to keep this in mind, but in general, the major movements will be found out from the technical analysis. And that is why, guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.